Hey everyone! You can discover the simplest ways to earn money while you sleep with these simple and easy passive income ideas. Exciting, right? Before starting the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. 1. Launch an online course. Online courses are online learning programs made up of live or pre-recorded lectures. In order to further their careers or obtain certification in a particular sector, students sign up for online courses. You may create your own online course and utilize it to make passive income if you're skilled in any particular field, such as web development, writing, graphic design, photography, or any other area. It's a terrific passive revenue stream, since you just need to record or build your course content once and may sell access to it repeatedly as much as you want without having to do any extra effort. Additionally, the most prosperous online course vendors receive membership fees totaling tens of thousands of dollars each month. You must register for an online course platform in order to get started. When it's prepared, decide on a price, post it on your website, and begin taking orders. 2. Start a dropshipping business. With dropshipping, an e-commerce business strategy, the seller is exempt from having to maintain inventory. This is how it operates. You procure goods from dropshipping vendors first, after which you post them for sale in your store. Upon a customer's purchase from your store, you forward the supplier's order data to them. They handle the direct shipment of the product to the consumer and then charge you for it. The difference between the amount you pay your supplier and the price you sell the goods for in your store is your profit. The type of markup you choose to use is entirely up to you. It's a totally hands-off business approach once your store is set up and your automated fulfillment procedure is in place. You should be able to generate passive revenue from your shop for years to come as long as you're making sales. You must first create an online store and combine it with a dropshipping website in order to get started. After linking your store, you can peruse their hundreds of items from dropshipping vendors and import them with just one click, receiving automatic, on-demand fulfillment for each transaction you make. 3. Build a print-on-demand store. A particular kind of dropshipping business model is called print-on-demand, where you may customize blank items with your own creative designs, and the supplier produces and distributes the item as soon as a sale is made. Create a selfie print-on-demand store. Similar to standard dropshipping, selling print-on-demand items requires you to store no inventory up front, so there are little or no initial expenses. And there's a huge market out there for custom, artist-designed merchandise, so if you're a talented artist or graphic designer, it's possible to make a very good passive income from your print-on-demand store. You can build your print-on-demand store with Selfie. It's a beginner-friendly e-commerce platform with print-on-demand functionality. Just sign up and choose some products from their catalog, then add your designs to them and start selling. Alternatively, if you already have an existing website e-commerce store, you can integrate it with a print-on-demand site like Gelato to import products and set up automated fulfillment. 4. Sell stock photos. Businesses can license stock pictures to use in their creative endeavors in exchange for a fee from the artist. A lot of photographers decide to offer non-exclusive licensing for their images. In this manner, you may generate passive money for the rest of your life by simply having to shoot one picture and selling the rights to use it as much as you choose. One of these e-commerce systems may be used to create your own store where you can provide digital copies of your photo rights for sale. Alternatively, you may also put them up for sale on stock picture markets and websites like Envato Elements, Photodune, etc. 5. Sell stock video footage. Selling stock video is similar to selling stock images, but the difference is that you're selling rights to use your own recorded film rather than licensing to use individual photos. Anything you can imagine may be included in stock video footage, such as GoPro body cam recordings of extreme activities or drone pictures of breathtaking scenery. Given the rise of video marketing and the popularity of video-based social networking sites like TikTok and YouTube, there is actually a greater demand for stock video footage than there is for stock images at the moment. Therefore, one of the best and most profitable strategies to generate passive money this year may be to sell stock movies. 6. Create and sell fonts. Another kind of digital product you may make and sell online for a profitable side hustle is fonts. There is a large demand for distinctive typefaces because there are hundreds of companies and graphic designers searching for them to utilize in their projects. You can sell a typeface you've created an infinite number of times, which might give you a reliable stream of income for years to come. Selecting a specialty, such as vintage fonts, futuristic fonts, cursive fonts, etc., is the first step. Next, use a program like Calligrapher to assemble your hand-drawn or computer-generated glyph designs into a vector font file. You have two options for selling your fonts. on marketplaces such as Etsy, MyFonts, Creative Market, etc., or on your own online store. 7. Buy a blog that earns residual income. Many websites make residual money from advertising, affiliate relationships, and Amazon associates, among other sources. In this way, the most prosperous blogs may make tens of thousands of dollars per month. The owners of those blog sites frequently post them for sale on website flipping services, such as Flippa. Typically, they sell for between 30 and 60 times their monthly income. Thus, if a website generates $1,000 a month, for instance, budget between $30 and $60K for it. Why not purchase a website that generates residual income with the excess money you have hanging around in your bank account? In this manner, you'll be introducing yourself to a fresh source of passive income each month. Hopefully, in a few years, your initial investment will have been recovered, and after that, all will be profit. In addition, the website you purchased can appreciate in value, allowing you to sell it at a later time. 8. Start your own blog. Why not start your own blog instead of investing a large sum of money to purchase an already established one that generates residual income? You will just have to commit your time in this manner. Building a popular blog that receives a lot of organic traffic might take months or even years, and success is not guaranteed. However, if you know how to handle it, you can monetize your blog visitors using affiliate links and adverts, then just kick back and watch it generate passive cash for you each month. Additionally, if you'd like, you may sell your blog for a tidy sum of money and use the proceeds elsewhere. 9. Start a YouTube channel. Rich people may be found on popular YouTube channels. YouTube video advertising provide for the majority of that revenue, but channel owners may also make money from their channels through affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and other means. I get what you're thinking. Creating videos is necessary if you want to make money on YouTube. It's kind of accurate. The truth is, though, that you don't need to create videos all the time in order to make money on YouTube. Whether you continue to upload new videos, if you can create a handful of early videos that appear for popular searches on the site, they will still receive thousands of views each month via YouTube search. At that point, you may choose to stop creating videos entirely and only get the monthly royalties from the ones you already had. Alternatively, you could keep creating videos to expand your channel, but you could delegate all of the work to third parties so that you don't have to worry about a thing. 10. Write an ebook. The projected value of the worldwide ebook market is above $16 billion, and it is continually expanding. Skilled authors may capitalize on this market by creating and independently publishing their own ebooks, which they can then sell on websites like Amazon, Google Play, and others. The best-selling ebooks have the potential to bring in hundreds of thousands of dollars for their writers each month through thousands of sales. Therefore, you could be set for life if you can get your book on the bestseller list. Naturally, selling ebooks is a fully passive endeavor. Your work is not over after you finish writing your book, but if it becomes successful, the money will keep coming in.